Welcome back, dear students, for the mathematics class. In this video, I am going to teach you subtraction of 3-digit, 2-digit and a single-digit number, that is 1-digit number from 3-digit number. So, we are going to borrow and do the subtraction. I have kept circles ready in ones, tens and the hundreds place. There are 15 problems on the board. So today we are going to solve 15 problems, 15 sums, and rest 5 which are not there here. You need to solve on your own, and that will be your homework. If you have understood my instructions, let us get back and solve the subtraction sums. Starting from the first one, we have the first number here, 203 minus 165. So, first look at the ones place. There is a number 3 and 5. So, look at the top number. The first number is 3 and the below 5. What you can observe here? The number which is on top is a lesser number and which is at the bottom is a greater number. Can you take out 5 from 3? Try, take your 3 fingers and can you subtract 5 fingers? No, it's not possible. As 3 is a small number, you cannot take out 5 from 3. So in this case, what you should do? We should borrow. Fine, let's borrow from the tens place. When you move to the tens place, what can you observe here? The number is 0. If I strike 0, whether 0 has any tens? No, 0 doesn't have any digit. Okay, it's a 0 digit. It doesn't have any digit with it. So when you don't get a digit here, that is when you don't get 1 tens from the tens place, you should go to the hundreds place. Remember, if there is a 0 where you want to borrow 1 to the ones place, if there is a 0 here, you need to strike it out and go to which place? Hundreds place. Here you can see there is a number 2. Right here, the before number of 2, that is 1. And here in tens place, you should write 9. And borrow 1. Now you can borrow, take 1 to the ones place. So, here it is borrowed now, 1 has been borrowed. So, here it is 1, strike 3 and make the number 13. So, you see the steps, you went to the tens place, there was no digit. So, you went to the hundreds place and you strike 2 and wrote the back before number 1. Then moving to the tens place, you have written your 9. Remember, in place of 0, what you have written? 9. Okay, when in every case you should do the same. Next, you borrowed 1 here and you have written the 3 and the number is 13 now. So let's subtract 13 minus 5. So 5 afterwards, you should count up till 13. 5 afterwards, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Count how many lines are here? 5 plus 3 is 5 and 3 is 8. Let's move to the next one, tens place. 9 minus 6. Take your 9 fingers and cut 6 fingers. So, when you cut 6 fingers, you got 3 as your answer. Then coming to the hundreds place, 1 minus 1, it is 0. So the answer you should get is only 38. So 38 is your answer. Let's move to the next one. We have number 900 minus 7. That is a one digit number. Observe children in ones place. It is a 0 and 7. 0 and 7. 7 cannot be taken out from 0 as 0 is a less number. So what you have done here, when you doesn't have a number where you should go, you should move to the tens place. So let's do the same. Let's move to the tens place and strike out 0. Can 0 give any number to the ones place? No, because 0 itself doesn't have any digit. Then which number you should strike out? Hundreds place, 9. Here it remains 8. Then here in tens place, write 9 and borrow 1. Okay, then strike this and write here and make that number as 10. Now 7 afterwards, 10 minus 7. 7 afterwards say 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 7 gives you 3. What is here? No number. So write 9 itself. And even here there is a no number. That is 893 is your answer. Moving to the next one. 740 minus 79. You can see 0 and 9 at the ones place. Try to borrow from the tens place and observe what happens. Let's try borrow. Here it is 3 and borrow 1. Strike this and write here 0. So the number you get it is 10. Now is it possible to take out 9 from 10? Yes. Take your 10 fingers, cut 9 and the answer will be 1. Okay, we have done with the ones place.